Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to set up webhooks and basic automation in WooCommerce for free. First, understand what a webhook does. It sends data from your store to another app when a specific event happens, like a new order. To set one up, go to your WooCommerce settings and click the Advanced tab, then Webhooks. Click Add Webhook. Now, give your webhook a name like New Order Alert. Set the topic to order created. This triggers the webhook every time an order is placed. Next, set the delivery URL. This is the endpoint URL from the app you want to send data to, like Zapier or a custom script. You get this URL from the other app's setup instructions. Leave the secret field blank for basic use. Set the API version to your current WooCommerce version. Finally, set the status to active and click Save Webhook. To test it, place a test order on your store. Then, check the webhooks page and look at the logs for your webhook to see a successful delivery. This basic setup lets you connect WooCommerce to hundreds of other apps and automate tasks without coding. If this opened up automation for your store, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.